Good morning, play-based parents. Welcome to Famplay, and here's a brief example of the difference between play and projects. What we do here at Famplay is engage parents with their children in educational play and projects. The key is we develop our own play and projects. Now, we give lots of examples, but the key as family and at Famplay is each play-based parent is designing and creating play and projects that fit their children in their own homes and their own neighborhoods. And here's a slight difference between play and projects to focus our learning. Play and projects are all about lifelong learning. But play is more focused on enjoying and exploring time together. Now there's free play and structured play, so a game with rules is more structured play. And free play is time for people to explore their own interests and choose what they'd like to do. Now don't be fooled into thinking that television watching or video games are necessarily free play. Those are structured, the gaming is play, and then the television watching is a passive activity. Now there's all sorts of types of play. Competitive, cooperative, solo, social. And as play-based parents, we use all types of different kinds of play depending on what the situation and the children require. There's recreational play that's stress reduction, where a competitive type of play or more structured type of play has more games with rules and winners and losers. Now, we play with friends, we play in the neighborhood, we play in the woods, we play with family. And then again, we play online, and what we're stressing here at Famplay is we unplug all the technology and play with our family for 15 minutes a day. But the difference between the lifelong learning that occurs in play and projects is that projects are something done to develop the self in the world. So there's personal projects and service projects, and they're both educational for the whole family. But the personal projects are things like health, to eat healthier, lose weight, or become more physically fit, develop certain skills in a vocation, or for a job, or knitting or to change a lifestyle. Maybe we build something around the house, maybe a new fence or remodel a room. But these are personal projects. Service projects, slightly different than personal projects, are to do something that matters and contributes to the world. Now, of course, a 5-year-old, we expect them to do very little that's going to matter in the world. But when they help with the dishes or dinner or something that chores around the house, that is contributing to their home and their world. But as a 15 or a 25-year-old, we need to have youth able to do more projects of the service type that do contribute to the world. Now, both personal projects and service projects are lifelong learning and are a great way to engage in lifelong learning. And same with family play and play in general. This is just the slight difference to answer a number of questions that have arisen here from play-based parents on how we use both play and projects to develop the whole child. And through the play and the projects, we nurture the nature. So in both play and projects, we can observe learning, support risk with responsibility, and model the virtues of character and learning. Hey, enjoy your time playing with your family, and I hope this short reflection has allowed us to separate the difference of how we engage our family in educational play and how we engage our family in educational projects. The real challenge in the weeks to come is, as parents every day, we facilitate this for our children. Enjoy!